Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, let's see what do we have here. So we have a rejection hammer. So we're gonna go down. Okay, so this is your bearish hammer coming back to Delhi. Delhi is quite simple. So this is your uptrend pullback new high. Rejection will come from the EMI. So close your eyes, take the short until this EMI. Okay, so you can if you want to trade short term, then look for shorts until this EMI. Price will come until the EMI rejected, then blue candle, then will go up. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, we got what take a pullback. Okay, so we will take a pullback and we'll go down. But if you only trade daily chart like me, then this is your short entry, exit here, then let the blue candle form. So if you do not want to counter trade in USDCHF, then let the price hit the EMI rejection, then next blue candle in Delhi, that's where you will make your long entry, and then you will make a new high. Okay, cool, that's it. So short term, look for sells until the EMI. And if you want to trade with the trend, then wait for the rejection, then blue candle, then you take your long entry because the trend is still up. This is only the pullback happening right now. Okay, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever you like, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, join Telegram free, join brokers, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.